is that? Tire shake.
I'm sorry.
All right, guys, this is tire. Of course, it threw that belt off again.
Both of them.
But it looks like, I bet my bracket broke. There you go. This thing is, there's the rubber that come from. See, the rear end is, it's got C-clip eliminators on it, but the rear end axle housing must have broke. Now, of course, it went into tire shake. Probably what happened is it started twisting and then it come unglued, and then that's when it started tire shaking, and tire shake, you know, destroyed it. We had it turned down, so that should have went down where it was, and it looked like it hooked initially. So yeah, it's not rolling. Doesn't look like it done much body damage. Luckily we know a body man, yeah, or two. So he's going to get the trailer now, because it's going to actually have to put the trailer here and winch it in, because it's just not going to roll very good the way it is. All right, guys, so this right here is where the oil starts, and it's just a little teeny line all the way to where Courtney's is. So they're gonna clean the track real fast and get it in good shape. All right, guys, so the track is still really sticky. There's the tire hop right there, but it was out of control already at that point. Yesterday, we developed a little bit of a leak.
No, about 6 months ago.
Oh, was it 6 months ago?
But it's never leaked at the track.
Because we couldn't find it.
On the track. If it sits in the garage for like a week or 2 weeks,
right,
there'll be a little bit on the floor. But I couldn't find it.
Couldn't find where it was coming from. Right.
Bracket, and I had no clue where it's coming from.
Okay, and so yesterday when we were here, I was under there, we were adjusting the shocks, and
a little worse.
We were able to see exactly where it was coming from. And we thought maybe it was just a little pinhole, or, you know, because it happens, right? I mean, that's exactly where it was. And so today, that one, I mean, did it feel more calm taking off, or did it still feel pretty aggressive?
Everything happened like that
right
in the car. Like, it broke on hit.
It did.
Because
it broke fast.
I felt every, like, I don't
that's,
know.
I think that's probably why it tire shook, is that it broke, and then when it broke, the bracket moved, and that caused it to tire shake. Because we had a bunch of timing out of it. It should have took it and should have went on down.
The tire shake yesterday probably made
that
worse.
could have made it worse. Yeah. Yes, absolutely. Tire shake is hard. Now, threw the belt off again, but that's probably because it revved to 10,000 RPM. Yeah, but good job getting over. Good job not crashing it. Don't look like there's any body damage.
I felt it rip that way, and then I was coasting, and I was like, crap, we need to get off the track.
Right.
It's leaking oil.
Sometimes when that happens, it ruins the sheet metal too. But, I mean, luckily it didn't do it. Dang, dude, that sucks. All right, guys. Well, 100%, y'all are not going to believe what broke on this rear end. Clearly, it was a problem. He's going to show you on his channel. Go check him out, The Paint and Paper Hustle. He's going to show you exactly what went wrong and what he's going to do to prevent it from happening next time, we think. Which it's crazy. Crazy. Thanks, guys. See y'all.